Hi everyone. Welcome to ECED-2063 curriculum in week 5 where we'll be talking about the power of play. There's a PowerPoint that you'll need to watch as an introduction. There's a prop box assignment which I'll be showing you more information in the support folder about, where you locate and read articles, websites, find ideas, etc. About prop boxes being used in the classroom, design your own box on paper only, and describe and discuss it based on the directions in the support folder. It's worth 100 points. Here are the support documents. What you do is you'll copy and paste this as a Word document, save it to your desktop, and complete each of the sections here. Now, you'll put in your name, theme, grade level, what you hope to accomplish using your prop box, and 2 citations to support the words or the ideas that you get here for your work. So these are the prop boxes. These need to be in a sturdy container when you make them physically, and just not on paper, complete and ready to use. They're supposed to engage 4 children in dramatic play for at least 15 minutes. So you'll see there are these sections, 6 sections for literacy, math, costume, toys, other thematic materials. All of these must be filled in. Let's say, for example, that my theme was a doctor's office. Or let's say a dentist. And so under literacy, I might have a read aloud that I would do, a read aloud that students could pull out about that, or a picture book about that, depending on the grade level. But some activity they can do with literacy. This is to be done with children on their own. They should be able to pull these out, ready to go, and work on them. Then you'll look at math, the same thing. You'll need that many activities in math, that many props in math, and so on. So for literacy, the costume, if you have, let's say you have a dentist coat or a light that a dentist uses, and a toy might be like a set of teeth, false teeth, and just other general thematic materials that you would use. So for each of the boxes, you'll notice everything you need here. Each of the boxes is worth so many points, and so on. Here's the grading, 100 possible points. 10 for your response discusses the play value of the box. 10 for your response addresses the academic value of the box. 20 for discussing theory and theorist. 10 for APA used, including at least 2 citations. 30 points that all sections of the chart above are completed. 1 point per section. So here, for the literacy and math, you'll list what that will be, and then any costumes that might go with it here, a toy here, and so on here. All of those boxes need to be filled in. 5 points for the materials are safe for the targeted age group, and 15 points that you've represented all 3 learning styles, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Here is an excellent website that will give you information on prop boxes. If you Google them, if you go into teachers, for teachers, any of that stuff, they've got wonderful ideas on prop boxes. And so down here underneath your proc box information is where you'll be needing to have the information that's not just in the box itself. For example, you're going to start writing down here about what's the play value of your box. What is the academic value of your box? Then you're going to have a paragraph on your theory or theorist that will have 20 points. So remember, make sure you consider and discuss all of the theory and theorists that you researched and found in your prop box for your prop box. Make sure that you're using at least 2 citations in this. So those are the things that you need to do. You need to discuss what represents these 3 learning styles. So if anybody has any questions about this, please feel free to ask me. I think it's pretty straightforward. Even though it's a big project and something that many people have not heard of before, unless they're already in preschool, it's something that is relatively new. So I think you'll enjoy doing that activity. Don't forget, you need that written narrative that goes with it. I hope all of you have a wonderful week. During week 5 of your course, I will be in another state for 4 days. That doesn't mean that I won't be available to answer your questions. It simply means that I'm at a 3-hour time difference. Make sure you get your questions in and give me a day to respond. Typically, I respond to things within hours, unless I'm away from my computer. But with the time difference being with it being so different, it will take me a little longer at times to get back with you. So make sure that you give me plenty of time to answer any questions, that you look over the material right away, so that you can have me answer questions as needed. Hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll talk with you soon.